Right, now finally, for my shower. Ooh, look at that. Some leftover things in there. Okay, so now that I'm here, I need to get myself some sort of a Sither, what am I trying to say? Usually, your inspirational showers are things that can help you with your evil plans. So, inspirational shower. That's the term. So, now I'm just going to go in and see what happens. Okay. Right, so now that I'm inside, I'm going to... Oh, this stupid cough. Right, well now. Well then, anyways, I'm just going to go and get, well, I don't know, this shampoo. Stupid thing. The mucus just splashed in my face. I mean, I know it comes from my face, but that's preposterous. There. Now, and the body wash and the conditioner. Okay. Now, speaking of your cough, sir, you see, I found this remedy in here, in your coughing room of all places. Where did I put it? Oh yes, right here. And, drink it. It may look like a very meager, solvent, I guess, but it will help and work out properly. Oh, Sither, please. Nothing can cure this cold. Why, I've had it for 42 days. And it's soon it's going to be 43. Besides, what kind of antidote, remedy, is served in such a small cup? Soup. Soup. I hate soup. Something besides that would work much more efficiently, I imagine. That I imagine too, sir. I'm glad you enjoyed your shower. Right. I'm now very inspired.